Here's a picture of our driveway at Klaza. So again, driveway, we can drive to our project, which is really important. We're only about a 3-hour drive from the capital city of Whitehorse, on a pretty nice road that extends from the village of Carmacks, about an hour, give or take 60 some kilometers west of the town of Carmacks. First off, we own 100% of our project, and that covers pretty large square kilometer size. We're at about 287 square kilometers, and most of the claims that cover our property are free and clear of NSRs. That's another big thing for us. The project currently sits at about 1.62 million ounces gold equivalent, at about 5 grams gold equivalent. So it's a pretty impressive resource, not only on a Yukon standard, but basically on a global standard. One of the nice things too is where it's located. It's in a developed area. So we've got old hard rock mines nearby. We've got about 12 active placer miners or mining operations right around us. So again, developed area, near power and near people. Always key for moving a project forward. The company's got a pretty strong treasury. We raised about $4.5 million in 2019. So we've just got just under $3 million of that left. So we're looking at doing about, as of right now, about 8,000 meters of drilling in 2020. There's still the potential to add more meters if we raise more money, but it's a position of strength right now to have that much money in the bank and that big of a drill program already being planned out. And that's kind of what we found over the last number of years is it really helps to have money to raise money, and so that's going to be important for possibly raising, say, another $1 million to $2 million over the next, say, 4 to 5 months, so we can start seeing maybe a 15 to 20,000 meter drill program in 2020. And the targets are pretty impressive. Oh, see, people are throwing money at me right now, and I haven't even talked about the targets yet. But really, I haven't been as excited about targets at Klaza basically since 2014 when we went out and drilled off the Western BRX zone, which now stands at about 250,000 ounces gold at 10 grams, pit-constrained indicated resources. So it's going to be a fun summer. Looking forward to it. So I brought up this sensitivity graph from the 2016 PEA. Post-tax IRR was about, I think, 14 to 15%, at about an $86 million NPV. We've added about 30,000 meters of drilling since this point. About probably 18,000 of those meters have been put into making the resource better, which we've done, and especially looking at the most economic parts of the resources, so basically the near surface, and again making that resource better, which we've done, and it'll be really interesting to see how that plays in to this next round of economics. Also, the metal prices have climbed a lot since then. This was done at $1,200 gold and $16 silver. So it should be an exciting next at least 6-7 months for the company. And then finally, we sit at 187 million shares outstanding. Again, just under $3 million in the bank, and a market cap of about 23 to 25 million. And strong shareholders too. About 58% of the shareholders are effectively within or between 4 groups.